Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. I'm going to say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. All right, guys. In this part of the lesson today, we're going to work on a switch kick. Now, what's a switch kick? Well, basically, it's when we use our lead leg, and before we kick, we switch first. Now, there's two kinds of switches. There's a stance switch, and then there's a setup switch. So here's a stance switch. A stance switch is when I turn my whole body this side. Now, I can do this for a couple of reasons. Number one, I can do it so that way I'm moving out of the way of a strike, or maybe I'm switching to reset my stance. So I'm on the opposite side so I can throw some power kicks here. Now, in kickboxing, we would do a switch kick. Now, the way we do it is we don't switch like this before we kick because it takes a little too much time. What we're gonna do instead is we're gonna do a little small switch. Now, notice my shoulders. Did they move? No, they stay in the same spot. Okay, my shoulders stay in the same spot. My feet move. Now, look at my feet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my switch and I'm gonna make it really small and I'm gonna have my heel off the ground. Now, this is important because this gives me enough boost to throw that kick with a little more speed, a little more power, okay? So we're gonna practice a switch kick. So we're gonna go switch, round kick, okay? Let's do it again, ready? Small little switch, switch. Okay, now if you can't tell, my front foot moves slightly back, my front foot moves forward. Like that, ready? So I'm not all the way turned here. My body isn't turned this way. I'm keeping my shoulders turned the same direction I started, right? Same direction I started. So again, we're gonna go switch, round kick. Okay, awesome, awesome. Let's do that again. Ready? I'm gonna say switch, round kick. Awesome, very good job. Again, switch, round kick. Awesome, good. Again, switch, round kick. Awesome, good, good, awesome. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fight a boss. Okay, it's gonna be a boss battle. Here's a combination we're gonna do to beat the boss. We're gonna go jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Here comes the boss. Ready? Let's go jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Awesome, good. Again. Ready? Jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again. Jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Awesome. All right, you guys think you can go faster? Awesome. All right, ready? Start bouncing on your feet. And go. 1, 2, switch, kick, cross. Awesome, good. Again, go. 1, 2, switch, kick, cross. Awesome, good. And go. Jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Awesome, good. 2 more times. Ready, go. Jab, cross, switch, kick, cross. Good. 1 more. Go. Switch, kick, cross. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right, I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead, push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. For nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot, we're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, a hold, down and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. You stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we say hana, dur, set, net, hasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. So really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say hana, dur, set, net, tasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, tasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, tasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Gonna say hana, dur, set, net, tasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here, stretching our neck down. And say hana, dur, set, net, tasit, yasit, irgo, idar, aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Done yet? Yeah.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused?
Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.